guys, today I'll explain the game Coin Grabber that I made a few weeks ago. So this is the game. Let me just click edit project real quick. So this is the code, kind of very huge to me at least. So the Coin Grabber is like a game where you have to collect the coin, and whenever the timer runs out, the coin will go to another position. So this is the game. It's also around. As you can see, you can hear the noise. It's sometimes a very challenging game. You're supposed to get a high score. So this is the game. So, and you're supposed to get over 20 points. If you don't, then you'll lose. Add it to the public if you aren't impact. Just check out the game. It's called Coin Grabber. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye guys.